You might be wondering, what does fresh brick oven baked pizza have to do with collectibles? I'm here to break your world. I got to witness one of the greatest pizza pairing, a game-worn jersey of one of the most iconic series to go down in the history of the NBA.
I have not chased after anything this hard in a long time.
What an insane jersey.
I mean, this is his first.
Oh my god.
First take.
Game 1, 2022 finals.
In the playoffs, like
Steph and Curry.
He tripped.
Are you happy, Mike?
Sure. Yeah, definitely.
Sure.
Definitely. Yeah. So the first one, I'm bidding. Every time I bid, I think this person is seasoned in these kind of like, you know,
He's done it before.
Every time you bid, there's like a 5-minute stretch that he keeps pushing it back up, right?
Okay.
So like the first time I bid, he comes right above me like immediately. Then I come right above him. Then he waits to the entire 5 minutes up, and like literally with like 3 seconds left, he bids. And I was like, I'm gonna win.
Yeah.
and then he did. Like keep going. And finally I'm like,
You know who it was?
No.
I have no idea who it is. And I'm sorry, whoever that is.
That's the problem, because like we don't know those people.
It could have been Miguel.
Time out. You might be asking, is Mike crazy for wanting this jersey? Let me break it down. Game 1 of this year's NBA Finals is not just an ordinary Game 1 Finals appearance by Steph Curry. Despite the loss, Curry drained 6 3-pointers in the first quarter alone, setting an NBA Finals record for most threes made in a single quarter. Not to mention, first home game of the series, and also not to mention the absolute killer mentality and performance Curry brought to the floor to take the championship home for the 4th time.
And how much time were you waiting already? How much time had he left?
That is our 2 hours after the bid, after the auction like ended. So this is like extended time, right? So I hit the bid, and the guy never bid again. What? I was like, did I just win in the finals jersey?
This year's?
This year, game 1. You saw it. The Golden auction had was it Golden that had that $90,000 jersey?
It was a golden.
There's one that went for. There was a regular season no name jersey that went for
Heritage, I forget which one it
Curry
was.
that went for 90 grand.
90,000.
And I'm like, a finals jersey went for 200? That doesn't make any sense. So I'm like ecstatic.
You gotta
Took it
tell
down.
them how you picked it up. Or
Okay.
how they...
Or they were gonna ship it, and they're like, I don't think we should ship this like priority mail or whatever it is.
Someone had a brain there.
They're like, you know, we're just checking with different armored truck options, and so they're like,
Did
we're
they
gonna ship-
contact you?
Yeah,
Like-
so they contacted me. They said we're gonna ship it via armored truck, and they're like, it might cost a little more, but they ended up paying for it. Thank you. So NBA auctions, you guys go there. NBA auctions, it's like nope. I didn't even know this website existed until this year. You sent me the link.
I sent you the link.
But
I've been watching that like a hawk.
some people know about it, but you can get like a full Tatum jersey for like 6 grand, 9
Pretty
grand.
cheap, yeah.
It's like, I mean, some people spend that on one break.
Kyrie Irving for like 7,000. Kevin Durant goes for he starts at 15 and goes up.
Yeah.
Joel Embiid under 10.
You can find whatever you want.
Whatever you want.
Game used, and it's the photo match.
It's because there's so many out
direct
there,
from
right?
NBA.
A nice new kid.
How heavy? 5 pounds?
Oh, did they do that?
Even.
Before the food.
You want me to do it? This is yours. I'll have a little part in it.
Butter knife.
Just the front. We just need to get one side.
What if I just cut the jersey?
We won't not. Okay. Here we go.
Oh man.
So
Look at these white
somebody
Cheetos.
out there, I think is a great idea to, instead of doing case breaks of trash cards, do case breaks of game used jerseys. Wow.
That's an idea.
It's better than a flawless case.
Oh,
It is. I thought
It's an actual case.
I literally thought it was shipped in a flawless case when I first opened it.
Does it say NBA or anything?
No, it
No,
doesn't.
it's just like a. All right.
A box break with the random
Box
jersey?
break with a random jersey in it. There's. What's in here?
Oh my god.
Well, guys, before I forget, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. 70% of you are not subscribed, so thank you for doing that, and let's get back to the video.
Game 1, NBA Finals this year, where Curry scored 6 threes in the first quarter.
Oh my god.
broke the record for finals in 10 years. So all original tags.
I guess that's another tag logo, man. Wow, it's his 75th anniversary.
So every game used item has a serial number right here, individualized.
This is the logo man you want.
Yeah.
Oh, dang. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Look at that, guys.
All right, Mike, you gotta wear it.
There, hold that out.
I think you have to wear it.
Get the chills, man. Get the chills.
Look at the stitching. Like, look at the detail. Mike, congratulations,
What does this
man.
mean?
That's a championship tag.
Yeah. Next year will be 7. Did you know he's a size large?
He is bigger than the average person. So here's the documentation for it.
Wow. Game 1 of 2020 NBA Finals.
So this is only worn in the first half.
Oh, he wore it during the first half.
So the NBA started catching wind that they could make a ton of money off of this. And so you'll notice there's an All-Star Game jersey from the first half of Curry's of this year. Sold for $500,000.
$500,000.
This
is the coolest part. Look at that, the hollow foil.
Alright, Mike, how do you feel?
It's unreal, man. Unreal.
Congrats, Mike. This is huge.
I mean, think about trying to hit this in a break, or like hit something of this caliber in a break.
I love cards, don't get me wrong. I love cards, but this is a life-size item. Like, this is bigger than life. Larger than life.
90s collectors will kill me for this, but I literally was like, would I rather have this or
be careful.
or like
Choose your words wisely.
a red PMG? Did I just offend people?
I'm sorry.
Did I offend some people? Well, I have a red PMG, so.
That jersey smells better than this pizza right now, I'm not gonna lie. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was such a fun night, fun evening. Looking at an awesome jersey of Steph Curry. I mean, what a season for the Warriors. So excited to see if they're able to repeat it again next season. But thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. That was awesome.